Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today in this video here I am going to show you that the latest updation in our WhatsApp. And most of them will know that while we have been sending one of the message to a contact, at first we need to save the contacts in our contact list. And so in this latest version or this latest updation in our WhatsApp, we can send one of the messages or any type of messages, videos, images, documents and etc. without saving the contacts in our contact list. And now let's check how it is. And without wasting our time, now let's move to the video. And at first you need to update your WhatsApp from your Play Store. And after the updation you want to just open your WhatsApp in your device. And now you can see our WhatsApp interface as normal in our older version. And after that just select one of the contacts from your device. And now you can see this is one of my number. And after that in this side you can see one of the number has been sent to my second number. And after that you can see this is a normal number which I have been not saved to my device. And after that you want to just start this phone number from here. And after that you can see three of the options: chat with this number and dial with this number and etc. And after that here I am selecting this chat with number. And after that now you can see we have been moved to the chatting interface. And here you can see block, and in the side of this you can see add option. And after that by using this method you can also send one of the messages from these contacts without saving your phone number in your device. And I hope you will enjoy our video, and if you have any doubts comment below, and thanks for watching our video.